Quick BTC update. All right, so the question is, how likely is BTC going to go to 90 grand by the end of the month? Well, let's go through it. So this is how I'm seeing it at the moment. Some people want to see this BTC making a big flag here, making this big pulse, a potential flag, and then running up. Okay. However, I don't see it that way because that means we need to go into temporary bear market now, where I don't see that happening. So I guess why they probably reached 90 grand is because of this. So they're measuring the first wave here, second wave down, the third wave's here, fourth to come back down, and then the fifth to come up. Then, and that's pretty much 92 and a half on 268. So the thing is, this is just a correction here at the moment. This is on the weekly chart. Let's change this to the daily for a second. Sorry, daily, yep. So on the daily, so what we've got here is we've got our original order block, which has become a breaker block. So that hasn't been tested. So my concern is if it comes to here, we've got a problem, because then we're going to run into a real corrective pattern going up, and it probably won't go to 90. For sure, it won't go to 90. And it might come up again and just tank from there on, but I don't see it going to 90 if BTC comes to here. So I don't see it come to there at the moment, because we've made multiple highs here. It'll probably most likely come back closer to the origin here. If it doesn't reverse from here and go up, it'll most likely reverse from here. This is your last step for it to keep going up and hit 90. Whether it hits 90, I say no. The reason why I say no is this, because from here to here is a gap. So you got the low of 40k up to 69.70. So what's that? 30 grand. So in a space of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a daily. That's a weekly chart. So in a space of 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. But let's say it's 4. Just constant straight up, right? 4 weeks going up. To go up 30 grand. So 30 grand. So we're at the top here was 69, 30 grand from 90, 30 grand back 60, we're right here. So we don't have much room to go down further if it's going to make another pulse just as quick to get to the. So there is a possibility it can get to 90. Actually, no, but by the end of the month, definitely not. I'd say no by the end of the month. Unless something extremely bullish happens, but I don't see this going up to 90 by the end of the month. Higher, yes. 90 probability, no. Hope that answers your question.